Welcome back to Tech Insight Daily, where we bring you the latest in groundbreaking technology news. Today, Mercedes-Benz is making waves in the automotive industry by integrating cutting-edge robotics into its factories. In a recent statement, Mercedes-Benz announced a groundbreaking partnership with Apptronik, introducing Apollo humanoid robots to their production lines. Meet Apollo, the humanoid robot developed by Apptronik. Standing at 5 foot 8 inches tall and weighing approximately 73 kilograms, Apollo is designed to seamlessly collaborate with human workers in industrial settings. But what exactly will Mercedes use Apollo for? According to Apptronik, Apollo will play a crucial role in logistics, including tasks such as bringing parts to the production line for assembly and delivering kitted parts during the manufacturing process. Jörg Berzer, a member of the Mercedes-Benz Group Management Board, highlighted the significance of this partnership, stating, "Advancements in robotics and AI open up new opportunities for us to evolve automotive production." Mercedes is not only aiming to streamline their manufacturing process, but also to support their skilled workforce. By deploying robots like Apollo, they aim to fill labor gaps in repetitive and physically demanding tasks, allowing human workers to focus on more complex aspects of production. And that's a wrap for today's Tech Insight Daily. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest in technology and innovation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.
Stay connected, tech enthusiasts, in this ever-evolving world of technology.